Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amore Love and today I'm going to be crinkling my braids. In the last video I had curled my braids with some flexi rods and then I let them loosen up in the shower for today's video. So this is the residual from hot water in the shower and now I'm going to begin braiding. So basically, because I'm not finna time lapse all of this and edit all this, so what I'm gonna do is take I'm gonna take two, and then two, right? And these will be my 3 strands as I'm going to braid them like this. And then because it gets smaller at the bottom ones, I'm going to stretch a little bit further just so the crinkle is not super tight, because these up here will be looser because it's, you know, common sense. These are smaller so the curls will be tighter. So what I'm doing is trying to like push it down so at least it's like a little bit longer of an S instead of a super S. See how it looks more straight because there's less hair than up here. So I'm trying to semi keep it uniform but not really. So I'm gonna put a rubber band on this and then I'll complete the rest and I'll come back when all of those are done and then we're gonna dip them so that they're crinkled or crimped. Same difference, but I'll be back when they're all done. Okay, I got the boiling water and my hair is all finished braided. I have about 19 big braids and I kind of combined these two just to see what it would do, but it was still small. But anyway, I'm gonna do dippage. Pour this in the mason jar. Hopefully it doesn't crack. Okay, y'all can't even see, huh? Okay, so I got the towel and a giant mason jar. So I'm just gonna, I should start in the back, but I'm gonna start in the front. Dip, can actually do 2 at a time. Okay, now I'm gonna dip these same way. Okay, now I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna pour some of the water. And then I got this last one on this side to do, and then I'm gonna switch to the other side. Okay, I got those. Now I'm gonna do this side. Okay, so I'm gonna let these dry down a little bit. Just cause some of the rubber bands came out, I don't really feel like re-braiding it and re-dipping some of them. So I'm gonna just let it dry. Not all the way, but mostly until it's done dripping. And then we'll come back and take them down together. Yay. But you see how much more flexible they are? So now they should be crinkled, but I'm gonna wait. You don't have to wait. You really don't have to wait. You can take them out right now, but I'm just gonna wait. Y'all can see in my flexi rod one, when I flexi rodded my box braids, that one I took out immediately and it was still curled. So you could take them out immediately, but I'm gonna just have a seat and I'll be back. We're back and it's basically dry. So, well, it's not all the way dry, but just about. So I'm gonna start back here and take these out first. Some of the rubber bands are already lost, but yay, this is what I'm used to. Crinkles. By the way, I'm doing Vlogmas and oh man, the heater just came on. I'm doing Vlogmas, and some of the videos are going to be tutorials and some of them are going to be vlogs. That's how we gonna do things. So yeah, just get ready, turn your post notifications on so you can be one of the first to comment, and let me know if you find an advent calendar, because I'm looking for one so we can all open it together. Let me know if you're opening one so I can go get it too, or vice versa. So that's 2 of them down. Oh, I didn't even do a spin. Let me do a spin. So, moving on to the next. Let's do this one. It's cold, y'all. Whoops. Dang. Oh guys, remember in my flexi rod tutorial with the box braids where I said I'm gonna do the beads? So I'm not gonna do the beads because I want to get my hair braided again, but without hair extensions, just my natural hair in singles. And then I'm gonna put the same beads I showed y'all in that video in my hair, my real hair. So you just gonna have to wait because I just want to save it, and knowing me, I'm probably not gonna put all the beads back in the container. I'm probably just gonna, oh no, but that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna wait until I braid my real hair just by itself. Do you guys like this way better? Or do you like the flexi rods better? Or do you like it straight better? This is my personal favorite way, just because I feel like it just lasts hella long, and it's a good way to make it seem like your braids are new, even though they're not. Just change it up a little bit. Now, I'm gonna do this one, and I could do the other side. So that is one side all down. I like it. Okay, so, so for Vlogmas, I was thinking of getting a PO box so people could send me stuff. It could be whatever. It could even be, I don't know, maybe you hear me say something and you want to get me a Christmas gift. I'm gonna re-gift everybody who gives me a Christmas gift back. You know what I mean? So hopefully you can film you opening your Christmas gift back from me, and then I'll just put everything in the Christmas opening compilation together, or like y'all opening y'all gifts together, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna get a PO box, y'all can send me stuff and I can send you stuff back, basically. I think that would be hella funny. You could send me something funny, you could send me something stupid, you could send me literally whatever you want. You could send me something like an actual gift if you want to, but you don't have to do that. Like literally just send me whatever you want to. I think that would be hilarious. Or if you have a business, just send me something from your business, and then that way you get like a little shout out. And knowing my ass, I like supporting people anyway, so I'll probably purchase something. So let me know. I just found this lady for desserts and stuff through Facebook recommendations, and now I already got my friends like ordering from her and stuff, so it's kind of funny. So let me know if you got a small business. I'll just, you know, shout you out and open your stuff and all that good stuff. So let me know if the PO box is a good idea, because it costs money to have a PO box, so I don't want to get it if y'all ain't fucking with it. So let me know. Also, I need you guys to stay on me with Vlogmas, so if I'm not posting, you better message me on Instagram or something, or go to my community tab and see what's up, get an update real quick. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with what's going on regardless. Last braid. All right. So this is the Crinkles Crimps all done. So, do y'all like it? I like it a lot. I love the crinkles. I just feels like it just adds to the vibe, you know? But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.